Hey guys, I'm Ryan Raymond, and tonight we're going to go over the Merch Hunter module for Merch Informer. And thank you to the Merch Informer people for setting up an awesome discount. Check this out. You're going to save 87% off a yearly subscription to Merch Informer by using my link in the description below, or just typing in ryanaraymond.com/mi yearly. This is a normal $60 a month subscription, and you're going to get it for a one-time fee of $100 for the entire year. That's a savings of 87%. So thank you to Merch Informer for setting up this collaboration to give you guys an awesome opportunity to save some money for one of your research tools. So let's jump into the Merch Hunter module. So the Merch Hunter module is represented by this flame over on the left. And how this works, it's going to bring you this screen that says search by bestsellers. You can look at the top 100, 200, 300, or top 1,000, and you can select your marketplace, the US, UK, or German markets. And we can say, I only want to look at the shirts that are ranked 1 to 100,000, or we can look at 100,000 and above. It's up to you. You can use this, play with it, and go in all sorts of different areas here. Then you can also look for by the different products. So if you wanted to look for what are the best-selling V-necks or the best-selling hoodies and what are the best-selling niches that you may want to get into, then you can go ahead and type in a keyword. So for this example, how about we look for what are the best-selling hoodies right now? Now we can run this search and see if there's any in the 100,000 range. So let's run it. You can also, if you want to narrow this down to specific keywords, you can add them in here. You can also subtract keywords. So let's say I don't want Disney. I definitely don't want Disney to show up in my search results. So we can just type in -Disney, and that will eliminate any search results that include the keyword Disney. You can do this. You can add keywords by not having a minus in front of it. And this is a great way to help narrow down the search results. So we'll just do a search, and we're going to speed this up with the magic of editing. All right, so it brought up all the best-selling hoodies in the hoodie category. So we ended up with Virginity Rocks, and this is a band, so we're not going to want to go there. And then only 3 hoodies landed in this 1 through 100,000 range. It's September right now. Hoodies are just starting to take off. So you may want to look at 100,000 and above and search again. All right, guys, so we did a little bit of time travel here, and now we have our search results of hoodies, the top 100 selling hoodies of ranks 100,000 and above. So once again, we can look at the results data, and we did a -Disney on that keyword search as a reminder. So 100 top sellers, and it's giving us the lowest price of $25.49 with the highest price of $49.99 and an average price of $33.11 with an average BSR of 246,934, which means on average all 100 of these are selling each day. So you can look through, it's going to show hoodie, twill taped, and a lot of these are keywords that are input directly by, like if all of 100 of them are using the same keyword here, neck and twill taped, that means that's one of Amazon's keywords. So then we end up with great gift day and all of the general keywords here. So this is going to help you identify what niche you may want to enter here. So, and you're going to come on back through, and let's say we decided we wanted to track one of these here. We can just simply add this to our favorites list and add it to favorites and hit submit. And that's going to store it in our favorites module, which we will discuss in another video. All right, so that is how the Merch Hunter module works. You can play with the different settings. You can add keywords and try and validate your niche and identify what types of things are selling well within your niche, but don't go in there and make what's already there. You can get ideas from the types of colors that are being used, or if you were doing unicorn niches, is it unicorns playing ping pong, or is it unicorns having a birthday party that are going to sell better in that niche, which will help you narrow down your focus and your research a little bit better. All right, guys, that was the Merch Hunter module. And once again, if you haven't yet, go visit ryanaraymond.com/mi yearly to save 87% off your Merch Informer Pro subscription. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.